In this episode, Ray and Tom head for New Zealand's tourist mecca, where they take a gondola ride to gain an awesome aerial view of Queenstown at night. Arriving at the tourist capital of New Zealand, we grabbed a GoPro and Osmo Plus. Hey, this is Ray on the gondola at Queenstown. A lot of fun. We filmed our 10-minute ride and drank in spectacular views over Lake Wakatipu. This is Ray here. We made it to Queenstown and just got to the Skyline gondola in time to get up during the late afternoon. It's a really iconic place. I haven't been here since about the late 1970s, so it's great. The prices have gone up. And here we go, we're going up and we're about to arrive. Here's Tom. Yes. It was a real struggle to protect our tripods from being bumped by the crowds of sightseers. Hi, it's Ray here. We've arrived at Queenstown and we've jumped on the gondola and we are now at the Skyline Restaurant outside on the veranda overlooking Queenstown. It's the tourist mecca of all of New Zealand. It's never as good as when the Remarkables are coated under winter snow. So this tutorial is really about getting here early, pre-focusing, nailing your composition, exactly what you want, and then it's just a waiting game, waiting for the right light. I've locked my camera down on a tripod and I've nailed this composition here. Basically there's nothing in the foreground, there's no foreground interest in this shot. It's just an aerial view of the city. At the moment everything's quite dark because we're at the end of the golden hour. Believe me, at night the city will light up with all the cars moving around. Also, I'm lining the Remarkable ranges up at the top third of the photo. I'm actually employing the rule of thirds. There's such a high dynamic range, so we're going to have to use an ND grad filter. I'm putting my force stopper from Nisi over the lens, and as I slide the filter down over the sky, you can see it evens the exposure nicely. And at some critical moment, the decisive moment during the blue hour, it'll be dark enough to see the lights of Queenstown, but it'll be light enough to see some sky above the Remarkable ranges still. At the end of the blue hour, we finally took our photographs. Okay, well, I'm pretty happy with that. I think it's time to head down the hill and have a good feed. Check out Ray's full course on landscape photography. Click the yellow button. Or watch the next episode, where Ray and his friend travel to St. Bathans. After exploring the historic quarter, Ray films a tutorial at Blue Lake on panoramic stitching.